look what I've got. It wants, oh, there's a fox in my bag. I went to Muscle Maker Grill and I got the 5-meal deal. It was $40, $43 with tax, and it came out to be $8.66 per meal. So let's see what I got.
Here we go. Yes, sir. 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 I'm more than ready. Who's going with me to this town city? Straight from the downtown, more precise and Philly. Put it down for the king with the crown now. Really, are you ready? My spit moves swift and steady.
So the cool thing about it is that it tells you how much, it's hard to focus in on there, but like the calories, the protein, carbs, fats, and there's a lot of different apps out there to like track your macros. If you don't know what macros are, that's fats, fat, protein, and carbohydrates, and there's like the mix up to kind of the combination of stuff to like what you want to eat during a day. So if you are doing something like that, Muscle Maker Grill is awesome for that. Also, this one, the Godfather, I went there for lunch yesterday and it is delicious. It's got chicken with roasted red bell peppers, portobello mushrooms over a bed of broccoli. So good. We'll be ordering this quite a lot. And then I ordered the Cajun steak and penne pasta, steak Mexicana bowl, the Godfather, Mardi Gras salad, and a turkey taco salad. So that was 5 options for me. You get to choose whatever meals you want. They have this little brochure, and so it tells you what it is, how many calories, how many protein, carbs, fat, and fiber there are in each option. So like they have pastas, wraps, salads, bowls, little appetizers, and then on the back of the menu here these are the options here, and I did the math on it. With tax, every meal comes out to $8.66 a piece, whether that you do 5, 10, 15, or 20. Like it's all comes out to $8.66. So if you are on the go, it's better than spending, if you're going to go out to eat anyway, you might as well do something like this. So anyway, it's worth a shot. So go look. So today for lunch, I'm having the Mardi Gras salad. It's got turkey bacon, chicken, spinach, romaine, and arugula, I think. And kale. And it's got onions and Cajun seasoning. I'm really excited to eat it. Yum.